In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a correlation plot in Ada. So this is a really useful tool if you want to see if there is a relationship between one of your factors you're investigating, maybe temperature, against your growth. So here I've plotted 6 different runs of my different growth experiments, and they all had slightly different temperatures. So I'm interested to see whether this had an effect on my biomass yields. So what I do is I go to this correlations button, select it, and a box will appear. It looks like this. And this will enable you to make a correlation plot. So first of all, you need to pick what condition you're interested in. I'm not interested in red light. I'm interested in one of the temperature readings that my photograph axis spits out. I'm not interested in my OD because I've got calibration curve loaded in, so I'm interested in my calibrated density. I then need to pick what parameter I want to measure to see if it's having an effect on. Don't really care about a flat line because obviously this is a classic growth curve. And so in another video I go through the different models you can fit to your growth curves, but I'm going to fit the one which is most relevant for biological growth experiments, which is a zittering model. And in this model, as I discussed in my other video on using these tools, it has multiple parameters which it measures when it looks at growth curves, and one of them, as well as biomass yield and starting absorbance and lag time, is the max growth rate. So I'm going to use that as my parameter to work out whether temperature is having an effect on my maximum growth rate. So here I need to pick the hours I'm interested in. I'm interested in the whole duration of the experiment, so I'm going to go 0 to 168. I can give my title a figure. And give my axis some labels. I think I'll just leave these for now. I want to calculate the correlation on my plot. And I may as well select label. I don't actually know what that does. We'll see. Press plot. And you can see here, Ada's plotted this quite nice correlation for me, showing that yes, temperature is having an effect. Higher temperatures, I get higher growth rate, which isn't that surprising. And it's put the correlation here in this box. It's very strong, 0.9. So I hope that was helpful. You can then obviously save this plot as a PNG file and use it.